How to delete all watch later videos on YouTube at once. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through on how you can delete all the watch later videos on your YouTube all at once. So if you are wondering how you can do that, these are the processes you follow, and then you should be able to delete all of your watch later videos on YouTube. So first of all, go ahead and launch your YouTube app on your device. And once you have launched it and logged in into your account, you're going to look up for your watch later playlist. In order to look up for that, you can just go ahead and tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you reach over here, you can find this playlist section under which you will be finding view all. So just go ahead and tap on it, and then you will be finding the videos that you have saved in watch laters. So let's say you want to remove all of these watch later videos all at once. So how do you remove it? So in order to remove it, it is super simple. You can just go ahead and tap on the three dot at the top right corner of your screen. And when you tap on it, you can find this option called remove watched videos. So you can just go ahead and tap on it and confirm it, and it will all at once remove all of the videos from the watch later. So that is how you do it. That is how you remove watch later videos from your YouTube account all at once. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.